अल्लाहु अकबर अभी कनेक्ट हो जाए. Okay. Participants. Okay, let's start with
I'm
first.
done.
G.
My page.
Okay, very good. Okay, now let's start with question 2 divided by 152. Yes, division. Write the question and solve it. G.
This is division.
Yes, division. Who is this? Azan? Okay, so 152 will be inside the division box. And what is the problem with this mouse? Okay.
1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 10, 26, 12, 7, 14.
Yes.
2, 8 are
No, wait,
18.
Sila.
2, 7 are 15.
यार क्या मसला है इसके साथ? Okay. So 100 and so 152, and first we have to look that whether 15 comes in the table of 2 or not. Tell me, is there any 15 in the table of 2?
15.
Tell me.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Tell me.
No, ma'am. There's not.
15. Yes.
There's no.
Very good, Azan.
Yes. No. No. No, ma'am.
Very
No.
good, Azan. 15 is not in the table of 2. So we will find a number which is less than 15 and is present in the table of 2. Less than 15 is 14 and 2
2 and the 2. 2.
are 14. Now we will do subtraction. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we will take down this 2. It's 12. 2, 6 are 12. So we will write 12 again and we will do subtraction. I don't have any space. Okay? Wait. क्या मसला है यार? Okay. So tell me, have you copied the question or should I have to write it again?
No, copy. Copy.
Everyone done? Okay.
No. Copy.
So now write the next question. 3.
No, ma'am. No. No, ma'am.
What no?
The board was gone.
Okay. So 2 divided by 150.
What?
152 will be inside the division box and 2 will be outside the division box. Now 15 is not present in the table of 2. Therefore, we will find a number which is less than 15 and is present in the table of 2. So 2 sevens are 14. Then we will do subtraction. 5 minus 4 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we will take down 2. Now it's 12. 2, 6 are 12. Hurry up before the internet gets disconnected. I will not write it again. Hurry up. So it's now 12 and 2, 6 are 12. Wait. And at the end, we will do subtraction. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Hurry up. 15 is not present in the table of
2. 14 is present.
yes. So we have to find a number which is less than 15 and it's 14. 2 sevens are 14 and then we will take down the 2. 2 6 are 12. Okay. Done? Sila, Zan and Visma, done? Done? I'm raising this, okay? Done? Please tell me, have you done this question?
I'm done now.
Okay. Now write the next question. Okay, now write the next question and solve it by yourself. 3 divided by 2, 1. Okay, solve this. 2, 1, 3. Hurry up. 3 divided by 2, 1, 3. Hurry up. Abira. How many times 3 is 21? 21 comes in the table of 3? Yes or no?
Why would it?
Okay, find it. Find it how many times? 3 is 21.
Ma'am! Chairman, and this is the last class or not?
Azan, you have to do it by yourself. Hurry up.
Ma'am, where is the board? Ma'am?
Yes, and the internet is disconnecting. Very good, Abida. 2, 1, 3. Okay, have you solved the question? Sila, Azan, and Bisma.
Where
Abida?
is the
2, 1, 3 will be inside the division box. 3 will be outside the division box. Now we have to find out whether 21 comes in the table of 3 or not. Tell me, how many times 3 is 21? Hurry up. Beta, ye kya kar rahi ho? Write 21. Why you are writing 31? Now do subtraction. Ma'am Binesh? Ma'am Binesh? 21 now. Subtraction. Ma'am Ukasha? Now do subtraction. Done. Now what is left? Ma'am Binesh? Okay, done. So now 3 7s are 21. Then we will do subtraction. 1 minus 1 is 0 and 2 minus 2 is 0. Now it's the turn of 3. 3 will be down. Now 3 1s are 3. It's a very simple question. There is no remainder and the question is 71. Okay, Okay, done. Azan, Sila and Visma.
Done.
Okay, now the next question, please solve it. Try to solve the next question by yourself. It's in your exams. Okay. 4 divided by...
Write that question. Ma'am, I don't write that question.
बेटा पहले बताते ना. 4 divided by 130.
Oh.
138. No, wait. 130. 24. 130.
I want to do that question, ma'am.
136. Azan, leave the space. We will do it at the end of the class. First, solve this question. Hurry up. 136 will be inside the division box and 4 will be outside the division box. Now, please solve this question, Azan, Sila, and Visma, and Abira. Hurry up. Hurry up, solve this question. First, tell me, is there 13 in the table of 4? Come here. What is your name? Zefa. How are you?
I'm fine.
कौन सी क्लास में हो?
Playgroup.
Playgroup. Wow.
Nursery.
In nursery you are? Zefa is your brother? Okay. Do you want to eat chewing gum? Bubble?
No.
No? You don't want to eat bubble? Why?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, I will give it to you. Go to your class, I will give it to you. Okay? Okay, class, tell me, is there 13 in the table of 4? Azan, Sila, and Visma, what happened? Tell me. Sila, first unmute yourself. Sila, unmute yourself.
No, ma'am.
No. So what we will do? We have to find a number which is less than 13. And less than 13 is?
12.
12. So now tell me how many times 4 is 12? Hurry up, tell me. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are Bismillah. Why don't 4 twos are 8 and 4 threes are 12. So, beta, आप लोग को ये questions
Threes are
these questions at your home. 4
the
threes are
four.
12.
2. 4 threes are 12.
Very good. Now 3 minus 2 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now it's the turn of 6. 6 will be down. Now it's 16. 4 fours are 16. Then we will do subtraction. 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Got it? In 136, 13 is not present in the table of 4. So we have to find a number which is present in the table of 4 and is less than 13. And it's 12. 4 threes are 12. Okay? Beta, समझ आ रही है?
Okay, ma'am.
Please try to do the next question by yourself and practice these questions at your home. It's in your exam. What will you do in your exam? Done? Azan, done this question?
No.
Hurry up, Azan. Wake up.
Done, ma'am.
Done, very good.
Done, ma'am.
Azan, done? Azan,
Wait.
Azan, hurry up.
Wait, man. Done.
Done?
Yes.
Okay, now write the next question. It's very simple. 5 divided by 165. Okay, same rules apply. First tell me, is there 16 in the table of 5? Hurry up, Sila will tell me. Is 16 present in the table of 5? Sila, recall the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 10.
No, ma'am.
Yes. No. So what we will do? Abira, what we will do?
10.
We will find a number which is less than 16. What is less than 16? 15. So tell me.
15 comes in at the end of 5.
Yes, how many times 5 is 15? Tell me, hurry up. Excellent. Do it. Excellent, Abida. How many times 5 is 15? Tell me the table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are? Sila, what happened? 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. And 5 threes are? 5 threes are?
15.
Yes, so 15 comes in the table of 5 at 3. 5 threes are 15. Now we will do subtraction. 6 minus 5 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we will take down this 5. Now 1 5, 15. 5 threes are 15. Azan, Bisma and Sila, are you understanding these questions or not? Are you understanding these questions? Internet connection. Yes, poor. Okay, hurry up, do this question. Then please practice this question at your home.
Ma'am,
G.
ma'am,
Yes, Azan. G, Azan. G. What happened?
I'm saying I want to do this question.
Okay, do this question. Hurry up. Before the internet gets disconnected. Okay, so now write the next question. Six divided by 372.
It's triple 6. Now wait for me, please.
Okay. Yes, Sabira, tell me, is there 37 in the table of 6? Recall the table of 6 and tell me, is there 37 in the table of 6? Hmm. 42. So now look, 6 6s are 36 and 6 7s are 42. But there is no 37 in the table of 6. समझ आइए? 6 6 are 36 and 6 7s are 42. लेकिन इनमें कहीं 37 है? Yes. No? Because 6 6 are 36 and 6 7s are 42. But we need 37. So what we will do? We have to find a number which is 37 and less than 37 is? बेटा 37 से छोटा क्या नंबर है? Less than 37, Abira? 36. So tell me, 36 is present in the table of 6? Yes. How many times 6 is 36? Very good. Do it. Okay. Silazan and Bisma, do this question.
Ma'am, I'm doing. Comes in the table of 6. No, it doesn't. It does.
Tell me, 37 is present in the table of 6?
No.
So what we will do?
No.
So what we will do, tell me. Yes, Sila, Zan and Bisma, tell me the answer. What is the answer of this question? Abira, very good. Now 3, how many times 6 is 12? 6 ones are 6 and? Very good. Then write 6, 2, 2 कितने लिखोगी बेटा? 6 2s are? Where will you write 2? Oof Allah. 6 2 are 12. Write 2 here.
2.
6 2s are 12. Very good. Now do subtraction. Sila, मुझे आप पे बेटा बहुत प्यार आ रहा है. Okay, 37 is not present in the table of 6, so we have to find a number which is less than 37, and it's 36. So 6 6 are 36.
36.
Sila, you are sleeping today. Wake up. Now we will do subtraction. 7 minus 6 is 1 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Now it's the turn of 2. We will take down 2. Now it's 12. 6
Urdu
2s are
period, I
12.
was sleeping.
Please wake up.
In Urdu period, I was sleeping.
Okay, Sila, now wake up. Okay, so in this question, 37 is not present in the table of 6. So we will have to find a number which is present in the 6 and is less than 37, and it's 36. So 6 6 are 36. Now we will do subtraction. 2 is left. We will take down the 2. Now it's 12 and 6 2s are 12. Agar nahi samajh aiye, then practice it at your home. Okay?
Okay.
Sila, Azad and Bisma, it's a very simple.
Wait.
Okay, it's a very simple rule. First, you have to find that whether 37 comes in the table of 6 or not. Okay, simply you have to recall the table of 6 to find out that whether 37 is present in the table of 6 or not. Okay, as
That question that I don't.
as 37 is not present in the table of 6, so we will find a number which is less than 37, and it's 36. And we all know that 6 6 are 36. Okay? Sila?
Yes, we know.
Okay, done with this question?
Yes.
Okay. Now goodbye. Take care.
Bye bye. Is there another class?
No. Yes, yes. Science
Is
class.
there another class, ma'am?
Another class of science after 2 minutes, okay? And क्या कहना था? And please practice this question at your home, okay?
Bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, goodbye.
Okay.
Goodbye. Hazan, which question? Tell me the question.
Goodbye.
Fazana is left. Very good.
Ma'am,
G.
ma'am,
Yes, who is calling me?
I did not write answer. Ma'am?
Which answer?
Ma'am, I haven't read the answer of this 36. I didn't write the answer of 1, no, 2, 1,
Do it at
3.
your home. Do it at your home, okay? Try to do it by yourself.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
Okay, now goodbye. Take care.
ma'am. Bye.